Are you looking for the best outdoor home security cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best outdoor home security cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SHIWOJIA 12x Zoom 4G LTE Solar Security Camera. 12x Zoom 4G LTE Solar Security Camera 8MP Dual Lens Dual View Work with 5 watts solar panel and 7800 mAh battery. PLS use Type-C cable to charge a camera for 7-8 hours first, then put camera into a fully sunny place. The solar camera will work well. Waterproof IP66 solar outdoor camera. The surveillance camera shell is made of high-quality metal case. Infrared distance effective ear night vision distance up to 70 meters. 8MP security solar cameras wireless equipped with 355 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt. You could control the direction by the U-Box app. Supports 32-128G SD card, not included, and cloud storage method to record. 4G SIM Wi-Fi solar battery camera with 12x digital zoom. Allows you to clearly zoom in on distant objects. Supports 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation. Can be easily controlled through an application to capture a wider range. The outdoor security camera provides 8MP Full HD pictures and videos. 3 night vision modes to choose: infrared, full color, intelligent night vision. Built-in CMOS sensor and ear light can automatically sense light changes in the surrounding environment. And number 2. SHIWOJIA 4K 8MP solar camera. The picture is clear and smooth, and it can accurately record the changes in the details in the monitoring area. There are 2 video screens in APP. One wide-angle lens and the other is lens. Dual camera images on the same phone screen. PTZ lens can follow the position of the wide-angle lens to view what you want to see. You can set preset points in advance to quickly view important areas. Connect the camera to the solar panel, and it will get uninterrupted power all day and all night. The camera is woken up when there is a detected person. And the person is tracked for recording and app message alert. Camera with white light and ear LED light, switchable color night vision and ear night vision. Built-in microphone and speaker. You can easily talk through your wireless camera. You can choose the required installation method according to the installation environment. Waterproof and dustproof, sunscreen, etc. Easily deal with all kinds of bad weather. Number 3. eufy Security eufyCam 3C1 Cam Kit Security Camera. With 4K UHD, you'll see the small details of any person that walks onto your property. Spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, human or animal, with eufyCam 3C, even at night. The Starlight photosensitive system enhances low light conditions for clarity in color. You can even install a hard drive, not included, to expand to up to 16 terabytes of storage, all for no monthly fee. Bionic Mind differentiates family and strangers with facial recognition. Works with Alexa and the Google Assistant. Not compatible with Apple HomeKit at this time. With IP65 weatherproof protection, eufyCam 3C is guarded against rain and dust storms. Secure your home in just a few minutes with installation free from complicated wires. And then stay protected 24/7 with the wide 135 degrees wide-angle lens. Number 4. eufy SoloCam S340 Solar Security Camera. Capture every event that occurs around your home in ultra-clear 3K resolution. See exactly who is approaching your home with 8x zoom. Experience constant peace of mind with this solar-powered security camera that's easy to set up and always on, thanks to its removable solar panel. Say goodbye to blind spots with full home coverage. Enjoy 360 degrees surveillance. Check your front porch, monitor your backyard, and keep an eye on the driveway with ease. On-device AI power tracking, see the big picture while zooming in on crucial details, all in one frame. The f/1.6 aperture allows 20% more light for details after dark. See up to 26 feet, 8 meters, At night, adjusts and adapts for installing anywhere with options for solar panel mounting. Holds up to a range of extreme weather conditions without missing a beat. Deter intruders with a stay away message and see them react in real time. Number 5. eufy Security S330 eufyCam 3 Security Camera. eufyCam 3 is self-sustaining in any outdoor environment with an integrated solar panel only needing 2 hours of daily sunlight for forever power. Spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, human or animal, with eufyCam 3 even at night. The Starlight photosensitive system enhances low light conditions for clarity in color. See the true potential of your security with Bionic Mind, providing facial recognition that differentiates between family and strangers with self-learning AI. With this local 4K security camera system, you're in control of your own data with advanced encryption. 16 GB built-in storage with the ability to expand up to 16 TB with a portable hard drive. Not included. Store a lifetime of videos, all for no monthly fee. 2 hours of daily direct sunlight extends battery life to near infinite power. Store more videos on Homebase 3 with up to 16 TB of expandable storage on a portable hard drive.